benefits for the global warming was the crops will get easily to grow and plant, and human will have more water to drink and lessly to have fire disaster, and they make the population that dies in the winter getting lower. Yep. And negative benefits for global warming was populations of polar bears are getting lost by 2 out of 3. Hundreds of millions of people have been displaced in this century, uh, and they're dying a lot. The death will get heat waves, and heat waves increase by 5.74%, and cold currents increase by 1.59, and increased heat stress in human and other mammal and more. In Australia is the place that easily can cause fire because scientists believe that the temperature increase in temperature rising in 1950, so so that will cause scientists thinks the global warming will cause the Australia getting fired, and I will say half degree I agree and I disagree agree, because if the global warming will affect the crops grow faster and warm, but sea level will make the human displaced, that will have something good and bad. But century the populations are increased, the land can feel that many people, and some people planning to go other planet. So now the crops are getting increased than the time that was lower temperature, because temperature are crops easily to get more energy than the year before. So negative side was the land getting lost, and then makes people displaced, and the economic will get damaged, because for example the Japan, some of the land will get drowned, and their economic were not good because they're losing that land to do a lot of stuff. Yep. And if the people going to other country and the money doesn't worth a lot, so they're like worthless because they have no more space. If they like Japan have no more space, there means worthless, because like almost no one go to a Japan, so the money doesn't need it for it, so they that will be worthless, and they became like poor. Yeah. And this graph that represent the sea level in the whole world. If the ice melt, the sea level get higher, and then if they get higher somewhere in the world, the land will get drowned. And also economic. So this the lesson that we teach about was related about global warming was um do it. I mean, if they lost the like land, the economic in that country will get lost a lot, because they are building, and then the government needs tax. Yeah. So they can't do crops, any stuff they want, so they like can make a lot of money then year. So like the money will get more worthless. Yeah. So, and then the money rates are very unfair, and that becomes poor people going to other country, but maybe they're rich or whatever, but now they're all poor because the money rates are getting very low, so they're like became poor person, and some students doesn't have like student doesn't have like money to do it, to like go to school, and like they don't have like um study learning, so they're becoming like less knowledge and do it. I mean, will work at something like some low pay jobs. Yeah. So the rescue the system can affect the lessly. I mean, reuse system can lessly affect the global warming, and windmills will have no pollution and hot gases to go what's it called, go to Arctic. Yeah, so they don't have like global warming, and we stop using less using the plane and car, but the gas of plane will are the main thing affects the global warming. So we could stop the global warming, and we could use some stuff. Shrink carbon fiber will takes all of carbon dioxide inside, and then they're well not having like they're not having the um global warming. Yep, and that's it.